Hello and welcome back. Patriot Contraptions here with my 2004 Chevy Silverado. I have a very interesting problem today. I've never encountered this before, and we're going to try to figure out how to fix it. So the problem is, I'm on the passenger side of the truck, and this door is unlocked, but it will not open. The door is fully closed, so I have no access to the inside of the truck from this side, and there is no key on this side, so I can't unlock it manually. The electronics locks don't seem to do anything, so somehow I have to figure out how to get this door open and functional again, because right now I can't open it from the inside and I can't open it from the outside, which is a huge inconvenience when working with this truck. So I've watched some videos on it, I've tried to do some research on it. Unfortunately, there's not a whole lot of very clear information on a direct approach for this problem. So I've kind of decided that I'm going to have to make it up as I go, and I think a good starting point is to just go on the inside and see how much of the paneling I can actually get off without physically doing damage to the truck. I definitely don't want to cause damage to my truck. That's just going to cost me more money, and it's going to, in the long run, take a lot more time to fix. So ideally, get the door open, get the panel off on the inside, and then replace whatever's wrong once I get the door functional. So let's get started. So what I have is I have the window down now. I've got the panel as loose as I can get it. And I'm going to try, I noticed there's a bar kind of right down in here for the lock that actually actuates over here to lock the door and unlock it. So I'm going to try to push that manually and we'll see if it does anything. Push that back. Nope, nothing there. Doesn't even seem to register it. I'm going to try to bring it forward. Hang on. We got it. Okay, so sweet. Door's open now. I didn't think that was gonna work, but let me see if I can show this to you here. So here's what I think was happening. I was able to reach in from the top of the door up here and move this rod. Now, what I realized once I did that is that you can actually take off this cover. It just snaps out, and that rod goes to your lock mechanism. So what I think was happening on this truck was the lock mechanism just somehow got in a state where it needed to move further than normal to unlock. So all I did was I pushed this forward and the door unlocked itself. So that's why neither handle worked, because the lock was actually engaged. So I disengaged the lock and it seems to be working now, so I'm going to put it back together and we'll see to go from there. As you can see, the door is now open, so we've pretty much resolved our issue. I think that was all it was the lock mechanism maybe got a little frozen and got stuck in the locked position, so I took off that lock cover, or what I did was I went through the top. You could just take off the lock cover, it'd be a lot easier. Just move that back and forward, unlocked itself, and now everything seems to be functional, so hopefully that's it. If something does come up, I'll do a follow-up video, but for right now, we're good. The door is working. It's opening and latching as it should. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Check out all the other projects I've done, and I'll see you in the next episode. Patriot Contraptions signing out and hoping you have a fantastic day.